Now run. That's how you can add images behind these buttons, and you can put change their text as well. Okay, now our objective achieved successfully. Now let's move towards the next level. Click on finish. Okay, now we are going to navigate between different screens. So we can do what? Our goal is add a second button to the screen that say right when an ID of right button is clicked. How we'll do that? In the design mode, drag a new button position, resize it, then reset it, ID, text, background and font size. When you stack, just click on over here, and here is your outcome. Click on run. So now when I click on left, it will take me to the left screen, but it's not now any button over here that will take me to the home screen. Okay, now reset again. Now go right, click on it, it will take me to the right side. You went right. What can I do for you, sir? Okay, now let's do this. First, in design mode, drag a new button, position and resize it, and then write ID, text, background color, font size. We need to change this. Okay, let me remove these. Go to the right, go to the left. Okay, now run this. No button is over here. So add a second button. First of all, I need to add one more button. So just from here, from this menu design toolbox, we can do what? Here's your code section, and here's your design interface. So first of all, we need to design our app. So I want to add over here what? A button, two buttons. We need two buttons actually. This button, button 1, and this button. Okay, now two button added successfully. So now let's change their text. Add a second button to the screen that says right with an ID of right button. So let's change it. Say click on it. This one is when I click on it is on my left hand. So ID button is what? Left button. Okay, now text is what? Okay, left. Done. Paste it over here. That's how you can increase the font size. Bring your mouse pointer at the corner, and you can easily drag, or you can change width from here. Okay, now let me change its text color. Font size. So from where we can change its font size? Font family is over here. Then here is font size. So let me increase the font size. From here you can change its color, background color as well. So text color is this. Now what else? Okay, writing style you can change from here. Okay, Georgia. Done. Okay, now select this button. Now same property I'm going to apply over here. Okay, first let me click here left side and check that what's the property over here. So width is 35, 135, and height is 50. So just click here, 135 and 135. Done. And now make this 50. Done. So now let me align this. Done. Okay ji, now what else? Okay, Font family is Georgia, so click here. Let me change its font family. Done. Okay, now font size is what? Click here. It's 32. Just click here and just type over here 32. Enter. Okay, now let me change its text. So it's what? It's right button is written there. Right button. Right button. Okay, and then let me change its text. Let's say it's right. When you click on right, it will change the screen. It will take you to the right side. Okay, and background color, font size done, text done. Okay, background color. Okay, let's change its background color. Background color, click here, scroll up. This code, I'm going to copy this code from here, copy it, and now just click on next. Background color, we need a background color. Click on it and just select this, control V, paste it over here, background color applied over here, done. Okay, now these are just all events. Okay, G, done. Now run this, left and the right. Drag a new button position and resize and ID with text button and background button. Okay, done. Objective achieved successfully. Now let's move towards the next level. Now here, whatever I have designed in previous uh, level, now here we need to add some code here which will take us to the left or right side. Okay, create a new screen called right screen, add a text label that says you went right. Okay, and in design mode, drag a new screen element, change its ID. Okay, let's, and there is the design mode. I'm going to click on what new screen, just click here, drag down in this drag down option, just click on new screen and now change its name to what? ID is what? Let's say it's right screen. Right screen. Okay, and change its text. Let me add label over here. Drag and drop label over here, change its size. Okay, label 4, it's label 4. Now change its text. Okay, let's say welcome to the right screen. Let's increase its font size. Here's the font size. Okay, font size. Let me change its font family. Okay, now let me change its font color. Text color. So text color is black, so I'm going to change it. For example, I want this one. Can you see? That's how you can select different colors from here, RGB. Okay, now what? I've set the screen. Okay, now click on run. When you click here, it should take you to the right side, but it's not taking me to the right side. So what I need to do, I need to add a code now. Now click on code. Okay, gee, here we are. Okay, we need to declare over here what left button. Click on left button, it will take me to the left screen, but there is no left screen. Okay, and the right screen. Okay, first let's move towards the right screen. Let me click on event block. Okay, what is the idea of this one? This is right button. So whenever you click on right button, small r, small r, right button, this one, right button. Okay, when right button click, it will do what? Change the screen. So set screen. So set screen what? Set screen right screen, this one. This screen. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, now run the script. Okay, whenever I click on it right side, it will take me towards the but now I want to go back. So there is no button over here, so I need to add one more button that will take me to the start screen. What is the idea of this one? This is called start screen. So I'm going to create another button on next this screen. Let me add one more button in a design mode. I want to add a button over here that will take me where, let's say this is right screen button ID. So let's change this text. Let's say take me home. Increase the font size. Let me change text color. Right now it's white. Let's say I'm going to use this one, but I need to change its background color as well. Background color. Okay, take me home, this one. Okay, whenever user will click on it, it will take the user to the first screen. Okay, so go back on the main screen, right screen, no sorry, the start screen, reset. Here's your start screen. So when you click here, it will take you towards the right side, and then when you click here, it will take you where? To the home screen. So go back, right screen. So button is this one. Okay, now let me write code here in the code section. Whenever add these events block, okay. Okay, now I want to do what? I want another event on event block over here. So whenever this button, right screen button, click on it. So let's find right screen button ID, this one. Click, then do what? Set the screen to the which screen? This one, this one, this one, this one. Right screen, right screen. I want to go back. That's our start screen. Okay, so run this. Now take me to the left side. Now take me home. Click on it. Done. Excellent. Now click on finish.